What's up, everybody? This is KingsleyBreaks.com. My name is Jason. I'm doing a quick personal box break for Ben in the YouTube stream. He purchased a personal box of 2017-18 Ice Hockey. So if you too would like a personal box, email me at kingsleyBreaks@gmail.com, and you too can do a personal box break with us. This is the only personals I have right now, so I have about 8 boxes left for personal. So good luck, Ben. Hope I can pull you some good hits here, man. We also have group breaks of this through 10 boxes, guys. You pick your team spot, and you got 10 boxes to work with to grab spots from those teams, which we're down to 17. That's pick your team number 6. And then with pick your team number 6, we are also giving away a Gold Rush Hockey Value Pack to one lucky customer in the break, which is valued, around 40 bucks. So that's a nice little giveaway right there. Me too, man. I mean, I think we can. We just need a little bit of help filling it, We got a Haapala Ice Premier to $9.99. Of course, hit some Jets for you, right? $2.99 Jack Rozovic, Ice Premier autograph. It's opposite day today. Maybe you can trade with Kyle. Carlson Sub-Zero. You got more Jets, Lemieux to $12.99. Oh, nice. That's a nice one right here. Level 3, Samuel Girard to $4.99. Great defenseman. And look at that, nice. Little Brock Besser Exquisite. 34 of 175. No ink, but still Brock Besser Exquisite. So there you go, man. Not too shabby. And there you go. That was your personal box break. KingsleyBreaks.com. We have a group break of this, which is down to 17, guys. Let's get it going. KingsleyBreaks.com. My name is Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.